Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to create a simple logo reveal animation. Create a new composition 1920 by 1080 60 frames, and choose white color. Select the Star tool, and draw a shape. Press Ctrl-Alt-Home, then Ctrl-Home to center it in the composition. Make the stroke black, and set the size to 30 pixels. Change shape parameters. Specify the number of 0.6. Rotation 0. Inner radius 260. Press Ctrl-Alt-Home, then Ctrl-Home to center it in the composition. Copy the shape, enlarge it, and change the stroke to 5 pixels. Add trim paths. Go to the second, and set the clock to end and offset. Go to 0 second, and change the parameters. Now animate the bottom shape. Press U to open all keys, knock them out, and press F9, then edit the speed graph. Add logo. Change logo size. Animate logo by scale parameter. Copy shape. Press U, and remove keys. Add the CC pixel poly parameter to it. Move the shape to the second and adjust the effect. Copy this shape, and change the effect parameters. Great, now, animate the opacity parameter, to make the particles disappear. Select all layers, and make a pre-composition. Copy it, add the CC radial fast blur effect to it. Set the center parameter to the upper right corner. Move Shapey. Go to Composition, and add text. Place the text in the pre-composition. Go into it and press Ctrl-K to change its size to 1920 by 100 pixels. Change text size to 100 pixels. Add an animator position, then click Add an ad tracking. Animate the parameters. Add a null object, and bind everything to it except the text. Animate its position parameter. Place text below it. Move text 4 seconds and 30 frames. Change the radial fast blur parameter. Add background. Congratulations, you have created a simple animation of the logo reveal.